Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to import notes to Notion. For example, you want to import a specific note onto your grades, like for example, you are studying, right? All you need to do is to click this positive icon onto the left side panel and scroll down. We can find here the word continue writing, or you can just simply go onto the three dots onto the top right corner. But first, let's find here on how to add notes directly here. Click on positive icon, we can type a filter here, the word notes. And here we can add specific notes like Evernote, Deep Note, or just simply add the AI meeting notes. We can also select these three dots onto the top right corner, scroll down, and find the word import. Now, if you click on here, we can find, like for example, your notes is save on to Asana, Confluence, Trello. All you need to do is to select one of these, and then all you need to do is to log in into your account. And then after that, you'll be able to import your notes from that specific application. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.